70% of India lives in parts of the country where there's not access to 24-hour power. There may not be any cardiologists. It's a rural environment. And so when you think about screening for cardiac disease, typically we used to use products such as this. This is the MAC 5500. It is, as you can see, a fairly large product. It's pretty complicated. Requires power, requires a trained technician, a cardiologist to interpret disease. And it's not something we could take into the environment that we needed to go. We really needed to think about taking something like this and shrinking it to something that would fit in a backpack. The MAC 400 is what we came up with. This is an ECG machine, very much akin to this one. Does a lot of what this does, but also customizes in a way for the workflow that we would encounter within a rural setting. Quality-wise, this does as good of an ECG readout as this one, but it runs on battery. In a single charge, we're able to, in a 3-hour charge, we're able to take about 500 ECGs. We modified basically cell phone charging technology to bring that down to a cost point that we could afford, that would work in an environment where power supply was not steady. We also looked at this printer to actually print the ECG. And we essentially are reusing the printer that's used to print bus tickets in rural India. And this gives us capability to actually not only make it more robust for the environment, but also leverage spare parts, leverage things that are more easily available in that particular location. The operation of the machine needs to be really simple. On, off, one button ECG, print out, something that can be easily interpreted. I think some of the things that the team really benefited from were innovation close to the market, being where these challenges are, looking at not just taking high-end technology and scaling it down, but the reverse, starting with what you really need and then adopting from the high end what makes sense and adopting from elsewhere what we can leverage, as well as still keeping true to the high-end quality of systems that we've developed over the years at GE. What we're actually seeing is while we built this to meet the needs in India, we're actually seeing equal, if not greater, demand outside of India for machines like this, because in some sense we're all faced with similar challenges when we look at healthcare systems globally.